Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Love you, love you, love you loads. Yes, I just finished the IFA Awards and I've come back to Chennai and I had to do this video because all of you guys have been asking me so many times about my handbag collection. Well, this is my first video in my completely brand new room that I have set up. I am definitely going to do a room tour for you, which is my vanity room. So today I'm going to start off with my handbag collection. As you've already seen, my LV bag and what's in my LV bag. That's my most favorite Louis Vuitton bag. Now I'm going to show you the rest of my bags, right? So let's start with my first and foremost, my most favorite bag. Oh yes, this is my Gucci cap. I'm just going to wear it. So this is my favorite Gucci bag. Like I showed you, it came in my US shopping haul. So I have already explained about this bag to you. This is a really nice tote bag. It feels so good. It's so easy to wear and it's so comfortable because you can carry literally anything that you want in this bag. Next up, after my Gucci bag, is what I'm going to show you, which is my super beautiful collection, which is this. Like you have already seen it in the video, so let us start one by one. Okay, so this is my very favorite. It's called a small cute, very cute LV bag and it feels so cute and so nice. So in the LV bag, Pathina, I picked it up when I was in the US for my birthday. I think you must be remembering when I had gone to Hawaii and I did the whole beach bikini photo shoot. So on the trip line along with it, and if you can see, it has such a beautiful inside to it, like a full red velvet and so soft and so nice. It has also a zipper. Such a cute bag. You can wear it like this or you can even wear it like this. Just hold it in your hand like this. But something that I really like about this bag is it's so cute and so pretty. Next up, we have the very cute Christian Dior. This is my latest collection. Again, I picked it up from Bangkok. I was waiting for this video to show it to you guys. It is so cute, right? Look at it. And then you can just attach it with a cute little sling. But yeah, when you want to wear something very smart, casual and probably just keep it very minimalistic. So this is so cute, like you see that? It is so cute, right? The next one that I'm going to show you is my another very interesting bag, which is the Aldo. Not a very expensive bag. This was, I picked it up for almost like 9,000, 10,000, but a bag which has a lot of colors. It has this whole zebra. Sorry, not zebra. It has this whole cobra print that is happening on it, and since it is so many multicolors, you can wear it like with a plain dress just to have a contrast. So another very cute bag. Best part about this bag is because it's so colorful, right? It makes it look so nice. Well, next up, this is the bag that I recently used for my Citizen brand ProMaster launch, and like you can see, it's a very bougie, very glittery sequence type, and you can hold it like this or you can put it around your shoulder. So another very stylish bag, very simple, very lightweight. You can just keep your phone, your perfume, whatever small things that you want. So very easy to handle and easy to carry. Next up, I have to talk about this bag because this was given to me as a gift from my makeup artist Murugesh for my birthday, as a birthday gift this year. And in the color, Pathina, generally I love. If you see my LVs, my Gucci's, all of them are this color. So he also understands my choice and accordingly he got me. So thank you, Murugesh, for this really cute bag. Well, next up we have the Balmain. Has to be, right? The Balmain. So in the bag, I picked it up in Dubai and I got it for almost around $1 lakh. And black, I wanted it because yellow bags generally browns, whites. So black dress I picked up this bag, and Balmain is a huge nice statement, especially here in South India and Tamil Nadu. So I love it. Well, next up, I'm going to talk to you is my very bougie white bag. So like I said, you know, I love white sneakers, white caps. Adhe madri white bag or romba pidikum. I picked it up from Aldo again. So Aldo has a lot of these designer, looking bags. They are not like very luxury brand, but it looks very good. So that's why I picked it up. And you can see there's a small, like a really nice snake head over here with this, and it has a lot of these bling bling things happening. And very small, very comfortable bag. It's very useful when you want to wear it for a party, or because it has this whole bling thing that's happening with it. So party purpose, it's very, very nice. Next up, right, I'm going to show you my Christian Louboutin. So these are the bags that are really, really expensive. Ipo in the bag pathina, I bought it for myself again on my birthday. So I picked up two bags. One was the LV and one was this. LV, I basically got it as a gift from my amma. And Louboutin pathina, it is something that I picked it up for myself, especially in the bag. I just love this whole Christian Louboutin thing that is happening over here. It is so cool, right? And idle number keys vekla or anything which you really, really need, like handy. I have a mouth spray in this right now, which means that I've already used this bag. And looks damn nice, guys, like especially for an airport look or for something where you're wanting to wear something very casual, and just like your jogger pants, or you're just being very carefree and very careless, and just want to be stylish at the same time. And I really like the way it has this small gold chain here. Very comfortable bag to carry. So this is Christian Louboutin. Now next up, I'm going to show you again my LV sling bag. Has to be my most comfortable bag, guys. Trust me, I wear this every day. If I'm going to the salon, I'm going for a haircut, I'm going to the gym, I'm going to just do some shopping, or if I'm just stepping out for something, right, all my necessary cards, money, my phone, everything, it just carries it, and it is so cool looking. Next up, okay, so this is my latest new bag which my amma bought for me, and I think it's a damn good looking bag. Look at the way it's so girly and it looks so nice. I haven't used it yet. Idoda sponge innu ulle da irukku apdiye. Innu use panle, open panle. Again, this bag I got in Aldo, and like I said, Aldo has a lot of these cute collections of bags, and I think it looks really, really nice. Don't you think? Next, so I'm going to show you a couple of my clutches now, which I use it especially for all my award functions and everything. So in the clutches, the first clutch I'm going to show you. Basically, I use clutches whenever I go for an award function, or whenever I go for a event, or like I'm wearing a gown or a nice lehenga or anything, and you don't really want to carry a bag, right? So you want to like look a little more very effortless kind of styling. So that's when I go for these clutches, and I have bought a lot of bling clutches because dirin I'll wear a golden dress, dirin I'll wear a silver dress. So adukage I have picked up clutches like this. So in the clutches le pathina only your basic things can come. Ella clutches le I have kept a mouth spray. So idle nammaloda basic things, phone and basic things vachikalam. So in fact, in the Vati when I went for IFA, did I use this clutch, or did I? No, that is a different clutch. But yeah, so in the madri, like bling gold clutches, I like to use it for all my award functions. And idhe madri, similarly, I bought this one, which is again a brand new. I still haven't really used it. It's a very cute grey green clutch. So like clutches look really nice, especially with Indian attire as well. And all these clutches, they have the sling also. So when attach hang pannikalam, but I am a person who likes to just hold it in the hand. Next up is this. This is the clutch I used in IFA recently, just day before yesterday. And it's not too jhatak like the previous one. At the same time, it has a little muted but still blingy color to it. So I really like it. So this is my next clutch. Then comes this very interesting clutch. Well, this I actually ordered it online, and this was for my last function when I wore this blue color gown. And on the gown I wanted to get a silver clutch, something very different and stylish. So online website I really like this styling because it has a ring and it has this whole hanging thing, so you can just carry it like this. Another clutch, which is just a plain black clutch. If you in black sari pota, contrasting panamana, you want to go fully monotone color, na, you can go for the same color. You can do contrast also, but sometimes you want to just do monotone. So for that I picked that up. Then this is another bag I got from Aldo again, another black color bag. And if you see this, again it can be used like a clutch where you can just hold it like this, but especially with leather outfits this looks really nice, and it has a whole leather finishing to it. So like a leather top, leather jacket, leather pants today, this looks really nice. So that's why I got this bag. Well then, this is a very cute bag from Labby. I really like the color of this bag, and this whole burgundy, very English looking color. It looks very stylish. Like you can see, it looks really nice. You can just hold it in your hand also. So it looks like a small cute briefcase madri. Then we have this another cute little bag. This again I got it as a gift from Murgesh. He gave it to me because he said you can wear it for some event or something. I still haven't debuted this, but it is so cute, right? So this is another one. And then we have this particular bag, which I got it from this brand called India Circus. I picked it up in Phoenix Mall, and this is very comfortable, like your everyday use, where you don't really want to wear a brand per se. And then this is a very cute bag I picked up from the US last year. என்னோட ட்ரிப்ஸ்லலாம் நீங்கள் நிறையா பார்த்துருப்பீங்க இந்த பேக் நான் யூஸ் பண்ணது. ஸோ இட்ஸ் லைக் அ வெரி க்யூட் ஸ்கூல் பேக் மாதிரி. I really like it. என்னோட நிறைய ஃபோட்டோஸில் பார்த்துருப்பீங்க. So cute to use, and இதுவும் I picked it up one of the showrooms in Vegas only. And then last up I'm going to show you this another very cute Aldo bag. This is something which is very business type, very corporate. When you want to wear like a shirt and pant, you want to be very serious, not too much color, not too much logo, not too much brand happening. I think this is like a perfect bag for that. So just like a very serious person if you want to be seen, and especially for your office where all you guys, like especially corporate people, you guys can really try a style like this. It looks very cute, and I think the whole burgundy color is very rich looking. So for me, burgundy is my personal favorite. I have to show you my very important bag, which is the Christian Dior, which I can't find right now. Oh yeah, it's here. So how can I not show you my Christian Dior bag, right? So this is my latest luxury bag that I picked up from Christian Dior. This is again from the Bangkok Christian Dior showroom, and I think it's a very signature cool piece. But there's a funny story with this Christian Dior bag, and I have to say to you guys, it's very painful, very heartbreaking, but you have to listen to this story. So idu pudusa na vaangittu almost 6 months aichu. Idu pudusa vaangittu na enoda veedoda entrance la vachirundhen. Idu entrance la vanda odane sofa irukum. So sofa mele appadiye vachittu na ulla vanten. So I was supposed to send some parcel to somebody, and my driver anna came up, and driver anna was like, ma'am or bag veno. Seri inge dana or bag irukku, idla vachittu kuduthita. No god, please no. I was like, Shankar, and the bag oda value theriyuma ungalku? He is like, enna ma'am idu ஏதோ ஒரு சொன்ன பை மாதிரி தானே இருக்குது, இந்த பேக்கில் நான் போய்ட்டு பார்சல் கொடுத்துட்டு வந்துடுறேன். No, Shankar, this is like almost 2 lakh rupees, guys. What? So yeah, that was so painful. But then when I told him, he's like, what? Really? So that's the thing, right? And that's the moment when I realized that do we really need to spend so much money on such luxury brands? I'm really thinking about it now, guys. Like, you know, when this incident happened, right? I was so heartbroken. And, but yeah, whatever. At least I'm going to still enjoy all the luxury bags that I have right now. But yeah, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed looking at my bag collection. And since you guys have been asking me for it, I've also showed you my entire collection of bags. And I hope you guys are good, doing great. I hope you enjoyed. Stay safe, have fun, take care. Until I catch you with my next video.